Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Pink Princess is probably one of the most sought-after houseplants, and for good reason. Its vibrant pink variegation against the deep green leaves creates a stunning visual contrast that instantly elevates any space. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about the Pink Princess Philodendron, from its care requirements to propagation tips, so you can successfully grow this beauty in your own home. Number 5. Bamworld 3-tier wood plant stand. This plant stand features a ladder design, allowing sunlight to reach all your plants. It can hold more than 7 pots, making it perfect for displaying your collection. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Transform any space into a vibrant paradise with this stand. Use it in your living room, bedroom, office, or balcony. It serves as both a decorative piece and a storage shelf, perfect for showcasing your plants. This plant stand is easy to assemble, requiring no screws. It utilizes the triangular stability principle for enhanced stability. Plastic joints further reinforce the structure, ensuring its durability. The stand is made from eucalyptus wood, treated at 570 degrees Fahrenheit for carbonization. This process enhances its waterproof performance and extends its lifespan. While it's durable, the outdoor lifespan may be slightly shorter. Setting up this plant stand is simple with the included clear instructions. You can quickly enjoy the beautiful decoration and functionality it provides. It's perfect for beginners. What we like. This plant stand features a unique ladder design, perfect for showcasing your plants and maximizing sunlight exposure. It's also incredibly durable, thanks to its clever construction and reinforced joints. If you are looking to organize your plant collection and add a touch of style to your home, you should consider this. What people say. The plant arrived in excellent condition. The plant is very healthy and has beautiful pink variegation. The plant was packaged very well. Number 4. Variegated Jade plant, Crassula Argentea, 214 pot. This is a beautiful variegated jade plant. It's a succulent known for its unique, colorful leaves. This plant is easy to care for and adds a touch of elegance to any space. The plant comes in a 214 pot, perfect for small spaces or starting your succulent collection. It's a manageable size, making it easy to place on a desk, shelf, or windowsill. This size is ideal for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. As a succulent, this plant stores water in its leaves, making it drought tolerant. This means it requires less frequent watering than other plants. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. Caring for this plant is simple. Water it when the soil is dry to the touch, and avoid overwatering. It prefers bright light but can tolerate some shade. With minimal effort, you can enjoy its beauty for years. This variegated jade plant is a great addition to any plant collection. Its unique appearance and easy care make it a popular choice. Get yours today and enjoy the beauty it brings. What we like. This variegated jade plant is a classic succulent with beautiful, patterned leaves. It's known for its easy care, making it perfect for beginners. If you like a low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of elegance to your space, you should consider this. What people say. The plant arrived well packaged, ensuring it was in excellent condition upon arrival. The jade plant itself is absolutely beautiful, with vibrant, variegated leaves that add a lovely touch of color and texture. This plant is so much bigger than the pictures show for most people, I believe. Number 3. Outsidepride Splash Select Rose Hypoestes Seeds. Introducing the Outsidepride Splash Select Rose Hypoestes Seeds. These seeds are perfect for adding a pop of color to any space, whether indoors or out. They are easy to grow and maintain. These plants typically grow to a height of 10 to 18 inches, making them ideal for smaller gardens, containers, or hanging baskets. Space them 12 to 16 inches apart to ensure healthy growth. This allows for proper air circulation. These seeds thrive in shaded areas, perfect for USDA zones 9 to 10. They can also be grown as annuals in cooler zones. It adapts well to low-light conditions, enhancing dark corners with vibrant foliage. The Hypoestes plants are known for their striking, colorful foliage, featuring vibrant polka-dotted leaves in shades of rose. This unique touch will enrich your garden beds, borders, and containers. It creates an eye-catching display. Whether you want to add color to your garden or brighten up your home, these seeds adapt easily. They grow well in both indoor and outdoor settings. It provides vibrant, year-round visual appeal. For successful growth, plant in moist, well-drained soil. Sow 8 to 10 seeds per plant and gently press them into the soil. Keep the soil consistently moist until germination, which typically occurs in 7 to 14 days. With proper attention, it will grow healthy, vibrant foliage. What we like. This plant offers vibrant, polka-dotted leaves that bring a unique touch to any space. It thrives in shaded areas, making it ideal for those tricky spots in your garden or home. If you are looking to add color to your garden or glow up your home, you should consider this. What people say. The plant arrived in excellent condition. The plant is very healthy and has beautiful pink variegation. The plant was packaged with care. Number 2. Gardenera Philodendron Soil, Premium Blend 1 quart. Introducing Gardenera's Premium Soil Mix, specially crafted for your philodendron plants. This blend is designed to help them thrive and reach their full potential. This soil creates the perfect balance, ensuring your plants get the right amount of hydration. It prevents both overwatering and underwatering, keeping them healthy. The mix includes Canadian peat moss, New Zealand bark, perlite, worm castings, and lime. These ingredients work together to provide essential nutrients and promote strong root growth. See your philodendron plants flourish with this potting soil mix. It retains moisture, keeping them hydrated and nourished, leading to vibrant foliage. Whether indoors or outdoors, this mix is versatile. It's perfect for any philodendron enthusiast looking to enhance their plant's growth. Simply fill your pots or beds with the soil, place your plants, and water them. It's that easy to give your plants the best care. This soil enhances nutrient uptake, allowing your plants to absorb vital minerals. This leads to robust growth and stunning foliage. What we like. This soil mix creates the perfect environment for your philodendrons, ensuring they get the right balance of air and moisture. It promotes healthy root growth and enhances nutrient uptake, leading to stunning foliage. If you want your philodendrons to thrive and flourish, you should consider this. What people say. The plant arrived in excellent condition. The plant is very healthy and has beautiful pink variegation. The plant was packaged very well. Number 1. Gardenera New Zealand Tree Fern, 3 quart bag. This is a superior potting medium, perfect for orchids like Phalaenopsis and Dendrobium. It also works well for a wide range of other epiphytes and ferns. It helps your plants thrive. The product has a natural wicking action. It absorbs water and distributes it evenly. This allows the roots to get the moisture and nutrients they need. It locks in moisture without becoming oversaturated. Unlike other mixes, this helps your plants maintain their ideal moisture level for longer. It also provides much-needed aeration. This is softer and more porous than other alternatives. It's a soft, fluffy growing media that is responsibly harvested. It is also fully sustainable. Create the perfect reptile environment with this tropical substrate. It's 100% organic and encourages burrowing. It also increases humidity and eliminates odors. What we like. This tree fern substrate is a superior choice for orchids and other epiphytes. Its natural wicking action ensures even moisture distribution, and it locks in moisture without oversaturating. If you are looking for a potting medium that keeps your plants hydrated for longer, you should consider this. What people say. The plant arrived in excellent condition. The plant is very healthy and has beautiful pink variegation. The plant was packaged with care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.